Hi, I'm Andy McRobbie from Buro Seating. I'm joined today by Andrew Wilson. Andrew is a practicing osteopath and ergonomist, and he's also a published author on both of these topics. Andrew, I'm often asked in my role at Buro Seating by potential purchasers of office chairs whether they should be looking at a mid-back or a high-back option. Can you let me know your view on that?
Certainly. If you're tall or you've got a long spine, you might like a high back chair to give you extra support. If you regularly use reclined postures, you might be in a meeting or a presentation or spending a period of time on the phone, then a high back chair gives you the chance to lean back and get good upper back support as well. Ultimately, whatever chair you have, make sure it supports you from your spine and pelvis and follows the contours of your spine.
Thanks, Andrew. Please stay tuned for our next ErgoTalks update.